So check out this credit card sized tracking device, and this is a product that you need before you really need it, because for someone like me that misplaces their wallet quite a bit, this really helps.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name's Danny Black. I'd love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. And if you want to click that one right there, it does help, so I really do appreciate it if you can click that. I'll put links to everything down in the description, and you can check it out down there. But let's just get right to it. So this comes in from a company called Locater. Great name. The product is called the LocTag. It's an ultra thin tracker, only 1.8 millimeters, which is basically the same thickness of a credit card. It is super sleek looking. I love how professional and shiny this thing is. The setup is very easy. All you do is hold down the button to power it on initially, and then you can use your Find My app, click to add a new item, and then it will find it immediately, and then you can add a title to it, and then you're done. It works the same as an AirTag, where it basically pings off of other devices to help you locate it. It works worldwide and has a battery life over 2 years. So that's good peace of mind, not having to worry that your battery's gonna die on you. There's even like a little built-in speaker so you can play a sound from it. It's a pretty loud sound, so that helps you find it as well. And in that Find My app, this is where you can like get directions to it or start and stop the sounds from it. And I also love that you can get this luggage tag as well. So you can just slide your device in there, pop this thing on your suitcase, and it also has the spot for your address. That way you can easily keep track of your luggage when you're traveling. And again, this is one of those things that you don't realize that you need until you need it, and then you wish you had it. And it really helps me out a lot because I have a lot to keep track of around here, and sometimes I put my wallet down and I have no idea where I put it or which bag it's in. And this really does help out, knowing if I left it in my car or at home or somewhere in the studio space. Yeah, we call this a black hole because you lose things really quickly. But also because it's so thin, it's just so much easier to put it in your wallet versus like an AirTag, which, you know, sticks out a little bit. And, you know, if you sit on it, it feels a little bit weird on your butt. But this, you don't even notice, just like any other credit card, and works great. How do you like my wallet, by the way? So that's the Locater LocTag, and you can pick this thing up for under $30, or you can add that luggage tag for just an extra $4. You can also get a pack of 4 for $76, so that's like basically less than $20 each one of these, so it would make a really great gift too. And on this channel, I'm not trying to get you to go out and spend your money. I just want to show you what's out there, show you what it does, show you how thin it is, and then tell you where you can get it, and then you can go get it for yourself. But check out the link in the description. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and got some more cool gear to share with you coming up really soon. So can't wait to show you. If you want to watch some more cool gear stuff, click that one right there, or you can click that video right there. Either way, I'll see you there. Bye.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No.